Hi, Ganesh here from Lulio Trading Academy of India. In this video, we're going to review India's number one demo trading platform. In fact, this is the world's number one demo trading platform for the beginners, also for the advanced traders. A demo trading platform is really important in order to become a successful trader or the investors. Why? Demo trading will allow you to learn trading without losing any money. Also, if you make any mistakes, you can correct it before you go into the real market. Because on the demo trading, you will be getting a virtual money which is not real. Using that virtual money or virtual cash, you can able to place trades in the real market just like how other traders trade in the real life. But it will allow you to correct your mistakes and also sharpen your skills. And when you learn demo trading in a safe environment, you will get a confidence, and when your confidence level boosts, then you can perform well in the real market. So in order to become a successful day trader or the investors or the swing trader, demo trading is a must. The reason why I'm making this video, sadly in India there are no much demo trading platform. There is a one demo trading platform which is a MoneyBuy, but MoneyBuy does not allow you to learn the technical analysis or review the chart. So in order to do that, we need a powerful trading platform. And also we have created a video on demo trading on the MoneyBuy, and that video still people been watching and they've been giving their reviews. So when I looking at it, I realize people still doesn't know about the platform that I'm going to review in this video. So the platform where we're going to learn the demo trading or the paper trading, it is called tradingview.com, and also link on the description box. And this is the number one platform. That is the reason most of the brokers are using the TradingView still in their platform, such as Zerodha. You can see they have adopted the chart setup by TradingView. And the one best thing about the TradingView, you are not only can trade in India, you also can trade in other part of the world. Like you can trade in a New York Stock Exchange, you can trade in a Asia Stock Exchange, and also you can trade the multiple currencies, or you can trade the crypto market, and it's all possible in one under one platform, and that is called TradingView. Let's have a look at how the TradingView looks like. So once you hit the TradingView link, and this is where you will be redirected, and at the moment you can see we are at the TradingView homepage, and this is the interface. And guys, here you are seeing a lot of numbers, right? A lot of options here. You can see a S&P or a DXY, Euro, USD, or you are seeing a lot of numbers, and also like a market, script, screener, many options. And if you're a beginner and if you're new to TradingView, nothing to be worried at the moment, because this is not the only video that you're going to learn how to use the TradingView, because TradingView is a huge and we cannot explain everything in a one single video. In this video, we're going to focus how to use the TradingView for a demo trading purpose. And next, we're going to create a playlist. We're going to teach you guys how to use the TradingView effectively step by step. And first, before you start how to trade in a TradingView, first you need to have an account with the TradingView. And TradingView have a two options. One is a paid version and another one is a free version. And for the beginners, I recommend free version, and it is really easy to create an account. To create an account, you have to click on the sign in. If you already have an account with the TradingView, you can sign up using your Gmail or your Facebook ID, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple ID, or LinkedIn, or your personal email ID. And if you don't have one, you can create by using sign up option. And already I have the account, so for that I am gonna use Google ID, and I'm going to sign in. And to sign up, it is very easy. Click on the sign up. Again, you can see same option. You can use the Google, Facebook, or Twitter, Yahoo, Apple, or LinkedIn. So once you click the Google, you can select your Gmail and you can sign up. It's only 2 seconds process. And now I'm going to do the sign in. So I'm gonna sign in using my Gmail. I'm gonna select my account. So we just signed in the TradingView, and you can see we have here a lot of options. First, we have to click the chart, because chart is the place where we're going to learn how to place the demo trades. So click that. And once you click the chart, you will also get a window popped up saying connect paper trading. And paper trading is, it's a must. If you connect paper trading, then only you can place the demo trades. So in order to do that, just click connect, and automatically it will connect the paper trading. And you can see when we connect a paper trading account, you can see here we also getting a 100,000 of US dollar of free money, which is not real. This is a virtual money. That is not something that you can withdraw and you can buy the stock or sell the stocks. This is just for a sake of education, sake of a demo purpose. So once you have this 1,000 US dollars or 100,000 US dollar, you can buy the stocks, you can sell the stocks, or you can buy the cryptocurrencies, you can buy the forex, or you can trade future and options. In TradingView, everything is possible. And you also, when you realize if your account going minus, or if you lose all the money that you have in a demo trading, you can also reset it. It's a really easy one. Anything can happen, right? When you're learning a demo trading, you might end up making a lot of losses because you don't know exactly how to use the proper money management, or when to enter the market or when to exit the market. So at this scenario, you might end up losing all the money whatever available in the demo trading. And you can always go to setting here and you can reset it. You can have the 100,000 back. But we're not going to do here. We're only going to learn how to place the demo trade. And first interface, what you're looking here, this is the chart, and this is where we're going to look at our chart, our price action, or the any stock or any cryptocurrencies detail, and what price the price is trading and how the volatility looks like. Then we're going to place the trade. And also on the right side, what you're seeing, a watch list. So I'm going to rid of these extra options here. So watch list is the place where you can keep all the stocks or all the cryptocurrencies that you wanted to follow. Once you add them, you can see what is happening here. So just like a scorecard, cricket scorecard, when you look at the scorecard, you can see how the players are performing, how the Indian team are making score, how many runs we need. So some similar to that, when you add a stock in the watch list, you can see you can see whatever happening at the moment. And right now the market is closed, that is why you cannot see the numbers fluctuating here. And here already we have a default watch list, and you can just rid of any watch list, any stock that already there here. So I'm gonna rid of everything whatever is there, and I'm gonna create a new watch list. To add a stock or cryptocurrency or forex or anything, first you need to click on the plus mark here. So here you have to search your favorite stock. For example, I'm gonna search Tata Motors, and once you enter Tata Motors, you can see we are getting NSE, right? So click on the plus mark, and you can see our stock has been added in the watch list. And today is a Sunday, since market is closed, I cannot show you guys how to trade Tata Motors. So I'm gonna choose crypto market, because crypto market is at 24/7, right? So it's already open. And now we're going to select BTC and a USD, right? BTC USD Tether, not a USD dollar, it's a USD Tether. So I'm gonna add with the bit buy. So I'm gonna add here, and then next I'm gonna select another coin, which is Ethereum versus US Tether. So it USDT, and I'm going to add that as well. So now I'm going to close this, and you can see our watch list. We already have three pairs of stocks and a cryptocurrency. First we have a Tata Motors, next a Bitcoin, next we have a Ethereum. And you can see the market has been fluctuating on the Ethereum and the Bitcoin. So when you look at the watch list, you can understand Bitcoin trading now at the 5% minus, and the Ethereum at the 8%, right? Minus 8%. And if you wanted to load the chart, if you wanted to see what is happening in the Bitcoin and Ethereum, just simply click on the stock or coin that you wanted to see, click on it. And once you click on it, you can see a chart appear here, and you can see we are default mode, which is candle. And anytime you can zoom in, zoom out, use your mouse button, zoom out. And next also you can make the size adjustment by using this scale here. So this can be little overwhelming, also it can be little technical for the beginners. Nothing to be worried, since TradingView is the free account that you can place trades and learn trades, and that is the only purpose we are making this video here. We don't want to show you every technical that it has. Here just learn how to place a trade and how to close a trade, and how to see what is happening in the trading journal, or when you place a trade, how you can see your profit and loss value. Once you learn this, next we're going to show you how to use these chart patterns, or how to change the background color, how to add these tools, what you're seeing in the right side of the screen or left side of the screen, what you're seeing. We're going to show you how to use them exactly, and also we're going to show you how to use the indicators and many things. Since this video just the introduction for the TradingView, also this is for the beginners, and for beginners it will be really hard to understand, right? So just use it for a educational purpose, and use it for a practice how to place the trade and TradingView. And at the moment you can see the market is closed for Indian stock exchange, which is NSE. So I'm gonna choose Ethereum, and I'm gonna place a trade here. Since we have a free version, you will be getting a lot of ads here, just read off it. And right now you can see the market is in a downwards, right? And also we are in the 1 day time frame. I'm gonna shift this into 15 minutes. And beginners, nothing to be worried. I'm saying this because you're going to learn everything as you subscribe this channel, as we keep uploading many videos, and you're going to learn how to use them. So right now we have that chart. You can see I'm adjusting frame just to get a better view. And you can see our chart is ready now, and also you can see the price been dropping from the morning. It's been dropping, and we are having a very bad day for crypto traders, and the crypto market is been crashing for the last 3 days. So to keep that in mind, I would like to place a sell order. So to place the trade, right click on the mouse and select the trade and go to create order. You can see also direct button, buy and sell. So we're not going to use direct order, we're going to use a create a new order. And once you click it, you can see we are getting a buy and sell tabs at the top right. So shift into sell because we're going to place a sell order, and the quantity that you wanted to sell the Ethereum. So for example, we wanted to sell 2 Ethereum coins, and at the price, market price, we're going to enter. And here many order types, you can see limit and a stop, right? So if you're a beginner, nothing to be worried here, because we're going to make order types video in the demo trading system, how to use the order types. And if you already know what is a market order, limit order and stop order, and you know how to use it, but now I'm using only market order because I want the price to be a trade to be get triggered soon as possible. And two quantity and a take profit and stop loss, it is optional. So if you wanted to exit the trade at your profit value, then you can always choose the take profit and stop loss. And if you don't want take profit and stop loss, also you can rid of. As I said, it's just optional, so I'm gonna keep it as it is, because I'm not making any proper trade here. I'm just showing you guys how you can make a trade. And here the pips you can always change. So if you don't know what is a pip, again, nothing to worry. And is a price. So price, if you don't know, again, don't worry, price is just what you're seeing in the scale, price scale. So at what price you wanted to exit. So for example, market price now it's trading at a 1347 for, and I'm gonna sell, right? So I'm gonna exit the trade if my price hit 1320. So that is where I'm looking to make profits of 1320. And the stop loss I'm going to use above, right? So when the market went against us, then we're going to exit the market with a loss, so expected loss. So I'm going to exit the trade at the 1360. And right now market price, you can see it's trading at 1349, and I'm going to place my trade. So to place the trade, click on the sell, and you can see our demo trade has been placed, and it's really easy, right? So that money buy video which I uploaded, people are still using it, but most of the people doesn't know how to use the trading view. And since it's a very unique and a beautiful platform that can use for a demo purpose, and especially this is the best trading platform for beginners. And right now I'm showing you how to use the cryptocurrencies, but when you start trading with the Indian market, it will be more fun, guys. And once you place the trade, you can go here downside at the paper trading account. You can see you can always make it little bigger that you can able to see it. And I'm gonna hide this, and I'm gonna hide the watch list as well. And once you click it, so once we in the paper trading, you can see we have a Ethereum and USD, and it's being triggered. And you can see we got a two quantity at the average price. The price we got triggered 1348.55, and you can see our take profit and stop loss. Also you can see our profit value being fluctuating, right? And you can always make scroll up and scroll down, and you can see right now we are at the US dollar, which is a 4 US dollar profit, and the profit value being fluctuating. In case if you don't want to wait the price, you can see we have a stop loss take profit on the screen you are seeing. In case if you don't want this price to hit the stop loss take profit, or you wanted to exit that immediately, if you think the price is good enough, the $4 is good enough profit, then you can click on the X here, close and confirm. You have to choose how many quantities that you wanted to sell, how many quantities that you wanted to close. So here you can see we have a 2, so I'm going to take all the 2 out, and we just exit the trade, and we made a profit of $5 US. To check that, you can go on the account history, and you can see we made a $5 US within a second. It is a demo trading purpose. And guys, demo trading can be done in Indian market as well. And this is a really good platform, and a lot of Indians, a lot of our people doesn't know how to use the trading view, and they've been struggling with the free versions of free demo trading platforms which is available on the third-party website, and those are not really easy to use. Those are really hard, and especially for the beginners. And this is a really good platform that I would like to recommend each and everyone who wanted to learn the trading view, and demo trading is the right platform for anyone to learn how to trade and sharpen your skills. and get confidence. And I was doing first 3 months only the demo trading on the TradingView. Once I get the confidence that I can trade in the real market, then I start trading with a smaller amount. And I recommend each and everyone to try this platform. And not only beginners, there is a lot of advanced traders are using the TradingView. And also, as I said, Zerodha has adopted the screen of TradingView. On the Zerodha, when you sign up, you can also see the TradingView on the Zerodha as well. So this is the video, guys. And right now I only show you how you can learn the demo trading on the TradingView. And you just give yourself some time, play around. You can place a trade, you can close the trade, and you can see how the trades been works for you. And also please give a thumbs up for this video, because that is what motivates us to make more video for you guys. And this is a quick, a brief one, and the next detailed video will be out soon. So we're going to create a playlist how to use the TradingView and how to use these tools. Here you can see there is a lot of technical tools. I'm not going to talk about this because I don't want to make this video to be more confusing for the beginners. And this is the video. And if you would like to learn how to place trades or how to make profitable trades in Indian stock market and without spending any money, guys, I'm telling you, this course or this video is going to be 100% free. And today's market, if you wanted to learn how to trade stocks or how to invest in the stock market, you have to pay at least 10,000 rupees. But here we just making it for a free of cost. And I hope you guys can learn something from here, and also give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, because this is the only way that you can get these videos on time. And this is the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.